Hello everybody. This video is especially for Favio Vazques. I'm not quite sure if it is what he wants or what he has asked for, but here we go, and if someone else is interested, welcome to a new quick tutorial. I start with a circle with 12 sides and I make it 100 by 100 millimeters and put it in the middle, and then I can move it down just a little bit. Then we can go to duplicate, instance radial array, count of 3 around the Y, action center is origin, and click in the viewport. This is just to properly align this this circle. So W again, and I want to see the vertices, and now we can move this so that these middle vertices here and these two match exactly. Okay, now I can select two vertices in here, 1, 2, press the L key, Control P to make a closed loop, then we can delete this polygon. And now I go to perspective view, and if you want to make these Borromean rings, then two of these vertices, this one and this one, must be moved up, and these two must be moved down, or vice versa. But let's start with these ones and move them up. So W key, and depending on how far you move them, you can make it thicker or thinner. I use 20 millimeters. I have, just before I started this tutorial, made one and printed it out on my 3D printer, and this went very well, except that the cleaning of the model was a bit of work. Anyway, it works, and this one we bring down by the same amount, so -20. Okay, now I select this curve, but in edge mode, and then my Shift F5, quick pipe from Seneca Menar. The link where you can find his scripts is in the description. We don't need to see the vertices, and I can backspace delete the curve. Then I use these edges, go to action center, selection, R key, and on the blue handle bring them together, go to vertex, merge, automatic will not work, fixed, 1 millimeter, and 8 have merged. Good. Now we can make this thicker. Let's see. I go up with the subdivision level to 4, and then go to polygon, thicken, and let's see where we can see this. Click in here on the blue handle here, bring this out, and Control click on here, and then you have very good control about bringing this closer together, like here. We are cutting through, so back a bit. This is probably the maximum you can do without intersecting. Okay, now I can select this ring, hide it, and delete the original one where we started from, unhide. Then we can delete these two meshes, delete, and now I can go to duplicate, radial array, this time a real radial array, count of 3 around the Y, action center, origin, click in the viewport, and now we have 3 different rings where we also can assign different materials if you want to do this. I finish here, do this in the reflection, and you see here we have our Borromean rings, and in perspective you can make them as flat as you like with the R key, for example. You can't go down to 0, but you can go down to maybe 5%, where it still has the same characteristic, or you can go up to 250%, which also is an interesting shape. I leave this up to you. I go back to where we were at the beginning, namely here, top view, and this will be the picture I put on the preview in YouTube. So I hope it has helped Favio a bit. Thanks for watching. Take care and have fun modeling with Modo. See you some other time. Bye bye.